morning, ladies and gentlemen, or just gentlemen. Today our topic is trapezoidal rules, and this is a more accurate way of calculating the area enclosed by our function and the x-axis, comparing to what we talked about last class, the left ramp and the right ramp. The calculation of the area is quite easy, but first of all, we need to draw the trapezoids. That looks quite odd, but it might work. So first of all, we will find the area of this that almost looks like a triangle. It actually is, but we can also see this as a trapezoid that has one side of its height of 0. So the area of this would be, here we close it by 0, so it would be 0 plus the other side of heights, which is, let's say it's f at x1. And then we time this by the width here, which is x1, and then divide it by 2. And we do the same thing for the second trapezoid. So what we do is f of x1 plus f of x2. And then we time this by the width, which is x2 minus x1. And then we divide it by 2. And for the third one right here, what we do is we do fx2 plus fx3 and time this by the width, which is x3 minus x2, divided by 2. And then we add them together. So we name this as A1, name this as A2, oops, and then name this as A3. So the total area enclosed from 0 to x3 would be A1 plus A2 plus A3. Alright, now let's calculate the area enclosed by the function y is equal to x squared and the x-axis on the interval from 0 to 4. So first of all, I've already drawn the 4 trapezoids and I've named it A1, A2, A3, and A4. So let's start calculating the area of A1. So A1 would be, we know that this length here would be y value x is equal to 1, which is 1, and this one would be 4, this one would be 9, and the last one would be 16. So that would help us to calculate. So A1 here would be 0 plus 1 times the width 1 divided by 2, that gives us a half. And A2 would be 1 plus 4 times the width 1 divided by 2, that gives us 5 over 2. And then A3 would be 4 plus 9 times the width 1 divided by 2, that gives us 13 over 2. And then A4 would be 9 plus 16 times 1 divided by 2, that gives us 25 over 2. And then in order to calculate the total area, we just add the 4 areas up. That would be A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, which is half plus 5 over 2 plus 13 over 2 plus 25 over 2, that gives us 44 over 2, which is 22. Alright, so that is the end of our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.